What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the new file in Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this Krita, and if you are the first or the new user of this Krita, so it will show you the opening or the windows like this, and how to create into the new file. So you can go to the file over here. Basically the look of this menu is kind of a little bit similar with another platform that usually for the design, and here you can start to click new, and after that this will be the section that usually you can use to create your document or the project. For this custom document over here, you'll see the dimension and content, and for the predefined, which mean about the measurement or the of the paper to print your or to print out your design or poster. For example, there are A1 paper until for the US tablet down here. And also you can adjust the orientation, whether that into the portrait or the landscape. And for the width, you can also adjust it, whether that from the millimeters until pixel, guys. And so that's for the height and also the resolution. Here it will show you the pixel in inch or only centimeter. And to give the name of your project, you can click this save image as, and after that you can put your project, for example project 1 like this. And for the color, you can choose the model from the CMYK for the alpha until this YCBCR alpha 2. And for the depth, that will be the 8-bit, 16-bit until the 32-bit float channel. And for the profile, there are a lot of profile down here. Which one do you prefer, or for the purposes of your project? And after that, you can start to click create over here, and after that it will bring you into this section. And if you are the very new user, they usually will know the animation timeline or the animation curves, which means this is the section to create the keyframe of the animation or the motion. Don't worry, you can show this to up. So you can click Windows and go to this workspace, and after that this animation timeline and curves, and also the, let's say, the layer or the section to give the keyframe will be shown down here. And not only in the Windows section but also in the setting, and go to the Dockers, and you will see this is the animation curves and also animation timeline that has already or had already activated. And not only about the animation timeline, you can also add several tools over here. For example, or the most oftenly used, usually the brush preset like this. And for example, I want to create, let's say, create the line over here in this brush named the marker dry, and you can also adjust the color. Let's say I will choose it to become English red like this, and you can drag it down too. So this will be the result. And as you can see, for the background, you can also adjust it whether that it will be locked or not. And you can also click this for this. It's kind of the eye. If you inactivate it, you'll see only the pixels, or there's not the white background in it. However, if you activate it, then it will show you the white background. And for example, if I inactivate this eye or the object that I have made in this paper or in this scene, it will show you nothing over here. And even it's kind of the being bent because I inactivated to, let's say, draw something over here. So I need to activate it first, like this. And after that, it will also show you the composition too, not only the layer. And this is the palette, tool option, and also the overview. And if you would like to create something different, you can click new over here. And for example, you can create the animation template. Let's say the animation Japanese, but it will be in English. So you can use this template. And after that, it will bring you into this new tab. This is the previous one, and this is the Japanese template. And you can also explore more by clicking this new, or try this Japanese animation. And maybe the setting of this layer slightly different, and you can learn from it too. And also, not only to create the animation, it will also share you the comic template. For example, I will choose this manga template and click this use template. And after that, it will show you the placement of the object for the comic, for example. And after that, you can see the layers over here too. And for the next one will be the design template. They are for the cinema, design cinema, like this, for the A3 paper, A4 paper, and also this design scene and web design, and also the SLR template from this Canon 550D until Nikon D7000, and also this texture template, for example this texture until this one. For example, I will open it for you, and it will show you this template, and it will be ready to use. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to explore more about this Krita, because this was 100% for free, so don't miss this chance. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.